Hello students. In continuation of triangle and its properties, today I am going to explain you two more properties of triangle. The first one is written on this board. You can see it. The property is the sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. It means that in any triangle, always the sum of length of any two side. Sum of two side means the length of two side. The sum of any two side is greater than the third side. This property is hold for any triangle. And if this property is not hold, the triangle is not possible of that side. Now children, as you can see, if I take triangle ABC, in that triangle AB plus BC is greater than AC. BC plus AC greater than AB. AB plus AC is greater than BC. And that must be hold for all three pairs of the side. Not only for one pair, it is compulsory for all the pairs. Then the triangle is only possible. So it's an important property also for a triangle, that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now we can take the length of three sides of a triangle and I can explain in which triangle is possible and in which the triangle is not possible. I am taking sides of the triangle. As you can see, if I take three sides, let it be 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now I have to check that the triangle is possible in this case or not. Children, if I add first and second side, it is 2 plus 3. As you can see, it is not the greater than the third side, that is 5. So the first one is getting here wrong. If I take 3 plus 5, it is greater than 2. If I take 5 plus 2, it is also greater than 3. But this pair is not becoming correct here. So by the rule of this, we cannot make a triangle whose sides are 2, 3 and 5 centimeter. So triangle is not possible in this. By this property, you can see the triangle is not possible here because the sum of two sides is not greater than the third one side. Now I am taking one more example for this. You can see, if I take one side 3 centimeter, second 6 and third one is 7 centimeter. Now children, if I add 3 plus 6, the sum of first two sides, that is become 9 and that is greater than third side 7. If I take second and third side sum, it means 6 plus 7, it is become 13 and that is also greater than the first side 3 centimeter. If I take first and third, means 3 plus 7 and I get here 3 plus 7 is 10 and this is greater than also 6, means second side 6 centimeter. So all three are correct here. So by this property, you will say the triangle is possible. So by this, you can say these three sides can form a triangle also. Now another example I can also give. I am taking side 6 centimeter, one, second is 3 centimeter and third side is 2 centimeter. Now children, if I add first and second, 6 plus 3, which is 9 become, and that is greater than the third side 2. If I add second and third, means 3 plus 2, that is become 5, but it is not greater than the side 6 centimeter. So it is not greater than the side 6 centimeter. So you will say that triangle is not possible because the sum of the second and third side is not the greater than the first side. So triangle is not possible. So by this we can say that the three sides are 6, 3 and 2, but we cannot make a triangle whose three sides are 6, 3 and 2 centimeter. So this is a property of a triangle, children. Now I am going to explain you a very important property of a triangle, that is Pythagoras. A well-known mathematician was that Pythagoras, and he has just give this property that is called Pythagoras property. Children, very important property this one, Pythagoras property. You just understand it. According to this Pythagoras property, this holds only in right angled triangles. Firstly, you should know the Pythagoras property holds only in right angle triangle. It means if a triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree, then it is a right angle, as you know. Now the Pythagoras property holds only in the right angle triangles there. Now if I take a triangle ABC in which angle B is right angle here, now it will say it is hypotenuse of this, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse side. One side is called base, you can take this is base, and the remaining side is called altitude or height. You can say it is altitude or height. In right angle triangle, the opposite side is hypotenuse of right angle, one is base and one is altitude. The Pythagoras property holds that, say that the hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the square of altitude and base. I am repeating once again. According to the Pythagoras property, the square of hypotenuse is equals to square of base plus square of altitude. So this is in right angle triangle, you can say it is AC square, because AC is your hypotenuse here. So AC square is equals to AB square, which is altitude, plus base is BC square. This is called Pythagoras property. Children, once again just go through it. Pythagoras has told that in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square, the length of hypotenuse square is always equals to the sum of other two side squares, means AB square plus BC square, and this is a very important property, children. So remember the Pythagoras property always. Now if I take any three sides of a triangle, and we can say that it is Pythagoras property, by the Pythagoras property it is right angle or not, we can also check this one also. And if two sides of a right angle triangle is given, then we can find the third side of triangle, right angle triangle, by using this Pythagoras property. Look this example. I am explaining an example which shows the Pythagoras property use. You can see here. Children, if I take any triangle in which PQR, I am taking a triangle there. In triangle PQR, angle P is of 90 degree, means you will take right angle at P, and this is Q, this one is R. Now in triangle, the question is, in triangle PQR, angle P is of 90 degree. Now PQ is 10 centimeter, the length of PQ is 10 centimeter, the length of PR is 24 centimeter. The length of PR is 24 centimeter, and you have to find side QR in this one. Children, you have to find side QR in this one. PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter. Now I am using Pythagoras property in triangle PQR. I can use Pythagoras property, as this one is right angle triangle, so I can use this Pythagoras property. The hypotenuse is QR, so QR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square by PP. PP means Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property, QR square is equals to PQ square plus PR square. Now put the values. PQ is here 10 centimeter, so I will write PQ equals to 10. PR is here 24 centimeter, so I will write PR is 24. Put the values of PQ and PR in this one. PQ is 10, PR is 24. Square means 10 multiply with 10, so you will get 10 multiply 10, 100. Square of 24 means 24 is multiplied with 24. So when 24 is multiplied with 24, you get 576. Now adding these two, so we get 576 plus 100. So total we get 676. So QR square is become 676. Now we have to find QR in this. So by taking square root in both sides, if I take square root in both sides, in this side we get only QR, and in this side we get square root symbol of 676. So now we have to find square root of 676. Children, square root we can find by making the prime factors. So first divide by 2, 2 3s are, then again divide by 2, 1 6 9. Now 169 can be divided by 13. So 13 divided to 169, we get 13 only. Again 13 is also a prime number, and that can be divided by 13 only. To find the square root, children, we have to make prime factors of the 676. So we make the prime factors, as you know also how to make the prime factors of any number. So we get the prime factors of this. So we get 2 multiply 2 multiply 13 multiply 13. So these are the prime factors of 676. Now as square root we have to find, so make the pairs of this one. So pair of 2 is there, because 2 multiply 2, one pair is become of 2, and one pair is become of 13 also. And from each of the pair you will take one digit out. So from this pair you will get 2, from this pair of 13 we will get 13. So we get 2 multiply with 13, and finally when we multiply it we get 26. So in this 26 is centimeter, because the length is given in centimeter, so your answer is also in centimeter. You started this question from centimeter, so the answer is also we get 26 centimeter. So using this property we get the value of QR, and that is 26 centimeter, children. So by the Pythagoras property, by this method we can find any side of the triangle. Thank you.